welcome back to my simple cooking video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this Malfouf or stuffed cabbage. Here are the ingredients: minced tomato, minced onion, Egyptian rice or the short grain rice, sliced potato, salt and pepper, and a spice, parsley, dill, lemon, tomato paste, and olive oil. Next, I will just boil water and cook the cabbage for 1 minute, enough to fold. Now I will just combine all the ingredients together and mixed it until well combined. And because I did not put meat in this, I will use a chicken cube to add some taste. Then, ready for rolling. Now the cabbage is cooled down. I'm gonna cut this into pieces and remove the hard part. Start rolling, I will baste the potato first in a pot so that it will not burn the cabbage. Because I have extra stuffing, I'm gonna use white eggplant, zucchini, and bell pepper. To cook this, I will use chicken broth and cook it for 2 hours or 3 in a very low heat until it's done. Voila!